What's good, guys? I am back with a kitty update. Let me clean this lens because it's dirty. Slightly better. So I am here. I got these little babies here. This is Luna and this is Cosmo. And we just finished eating. I started feeding them kitten food, so wet kitten food. So they are all kind of being weaned off of mama. And why are you looking at me? Look at this face. Oh, hello, Luna. And start inside with mama. I ended up getting this playpen here because the cardboard box just wasn't cutting it anymore. So right now she has two babies in there with her, and the other two are here with me. And that's their little plate right there. And they're gonna be 5 weeks. I can't believe how time is flying. They are so cute to watch and play when they play with each other. They play with me too, like they try to catch my finger and bite my finger. They're cute. And after they eat, they all like to asleep. Sometimes they play, not all the time. Miss, that's my finger. Mr. Cosmo here is sleeping. While Miss Luna wants to play, so she's going to bother him. Pretty soon she'll jump off my lap and go run around. See if I can scoot over here. Here we go. Hi, mama girl. They're still nursing. I've also started litter training them, and they're doing pretty good with that because they actually been using it. Though they do have accidents on the floor, but it's not like, terrible. So like you got to clean it up right away and spray it and you know. You know how it goes. Or if you don't know, then you know. So they're training to use the litter box. So I have a little pan in there that they can get into. I also put the house in there because sometimes it gets chilly. So they're still in the kitchen. Hi, mama girl. And they sleep in there sometimes too. Oh, wait, let me cross my legs. And here we go. Let's see who. This is Nebula and Star. Star and Luna. Star and Luna are the smallest ones. That she wants to play. Give me that belly. Give me these hands. Give me these hands. Give me this belly. And they got that other bed. Sometimes they're all snuggled in and inside the creases in there. And this one wants to play too. Come here. Hi, Nebula. Nebula, or I call her Nebby. This is Luna, Looney, Luna Balloona. I named them like I'm keeping them. Actually, all up for adoption. So, yeah, they're all up for adoption, but they are not ready to leave yet. So, since they're still nursing, but yeah, you want to go play? I went inside. And she's just all about playing right now. So we have 3 girls. Nebula. Give me that boy. Give me. Star and Luna. 3 girls. And Mr. Cosmo here was sleeping very peacefully. Is the only boy. We have this beautiful little Mitty girl here who's giving herself a bath after eating all the foods. Whatever they didn't finish, she scraped up. So it's been pretty fun having them around. I'm definitely gonna miss them when they're gone. I haven't decided if I want to keep one or not, but we'll see. I mean, obviously, I'm keeping Mittens, obviously, but I haven't decided if we're gonna hold on to one of her children. As of now, they're all up for adoption. I wish I could hold them till they're older and I can see their personalities, because Mittens seems to have like the perfect personality for us here. She's very chill and like not all over the place. She's not a crazy cat. Like she's really, really chill. So, you know, obviously these are babies and they're gonna be rambunctious, especially as they get into their little teen years and stuff. So, you know, it's gonna be a different vibe having, you know, a little one around. But I don't know, we'll see what happens. But as of now, they're all up for adoption. But it's so cute to watch them grow and how they're learning and they're playing with each other and they're learning to eat, you know, regular food and use the litter box. And like they know when I'm around, they follow me, they come to me right away and they climb on me and stuff. So it's cute, it's fun. I'm gonna miss them when they're gone for sure. So, but I'll have my Mitty girl. I'm hoping people that I know will adopt them. This way I can still keep tabs on them. So we'll see. I got a couple of inquiries. So yeah. And that's the update with my little babies. Look at this beautiful girl. She gets camera shy. Every time I turn the camera, without fail, she turns away. So the kids do too. It's like they know I'm recording them too. They're having a battle. They started growing teeth, so when they do nip your hand, you do feel it. Luna went to go lay down in there. So after we eat, we either get energetic and playful or we get tired. Or we'll play for a little bit and then lay down. So, oh, she's waiting for the dog to pass. She usually doesn't do anything. She doesn't like when he comes in super excited. So usually when he comes in like super excited, she'll give him a little whack, especially if he's like excited around the kids. Then she'll come in excited. Oh, look at beating up Nebula. Look at this. She's on top. She is on top and got her down for the count. She's biting her foot. Oh, Nebula's coming. Coming in strong. Look at the little feet. She's like, I'm going to bite your foot. So it's fun to watch them. Have the little boy. Be easy. Who's jealous, and as soon as he sees you with the cats and the kittens, he wants to jump on you and be getting belly rubbed all the time. as soon as he sees you around the kittens. Like, he just loves that. So I am loaded. So yeah, I'm loaded with fur babies. And that's it. That's the update with the babies. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Like always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned. If you have any, like, you know, advice on keeping kittens and maintaining them, you know, let me know. So far, I think I'm doing pretty good, and they're doing good. So these two are battling a cat battle right here. Oh, Star in for the attack. Oh, she ain't having it. Oh. Later, guys.